If you want to stop the auto-renewal of your Paramount Plus subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure you won't be charged for the next billing cycle. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Paramount Plus website or open the app and log in using your account credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find subscription details. In the account settings, look for a section labeled subscription or billing. Click on it to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Disable auto-renewal. Within the subscription details, locate the option for auto-renewal. There should be a toggle button that allows you to turn off auto-renewal. Click on it to disable the feature. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling auto-renewal, make sure to confirm any prompts that appear to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation email regarding the cancellation of auto-renewal. By following these steps, you can successfully stop the auto-renewal of your Paramount Plus subscription. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.